Hello guys. Welcome back to our channel CR Explodes. In this video we are showing you that how to build a gaming PC under 20k. Then let's go into the video.
I can feel you fade away from the kitchen to the bathroom sinking. Your steps keep me awake. Don't cut me down, throw me out, leave me here to waste. I once was a man with dignity and grace. Now I'm slipping through the cracks of your cold embrace. So please, please, could you find a way to let me down slowly? A little sympathy, I hope you can show me. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. Let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down, let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. Let me down.
Thanks for watching this video. If anyone have any doubt, you can clear it from comment box, or you can also contact me through Instagram.